How to check current password on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check current password on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here to tell you upfront, Facebook doesn't have the direct feature to check your current password. So to do that, you have to go to settings. So here we'll just open the settings, and now here once you're inside it, you can simply scroll down and tap on Google. And now here once you're inside the Google services, there at the top you'll see two tab. So from there you can just tap on all services tab, and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as autofill with Google. And now here in this section, you can just tap on Google Password Manager. And after that, you simply have to verify yourself. And once you're done with the verification, then what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on Facebook. So here simply search for the Facebook. And here once you have searched the Facebook, then what you can do is simply tap on that particular Facebook, and here you have to verify yourself before entering. And once you're done entering, you can simply see the current password of your Facebook in here. And that's it. That's how you can check current password on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.